Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video related to syllabus reduction done by CBSE, and the class which we are going to take up today is class 10th subject science. If you haven't watched my previous video regarding class 9th syllabus reduction of science, you can view it. It's in the description box. If you are new to this channel, do hit the bell icon and the like button. So without any further ado, let's begin. You can view on the screen that there is a list of chapters with no changes. You can pause the video and take a screenshot, or you can note it down somewhere else. Now moving on to another list of chapters which are totally removed from the syllabus. You can follow the same procedure, take the screenshot or note it down somewhere else. If we see the course structure of class 10th annual examination of this session, there are no changes in course structure. We used to have 5 units, and this time also we are having 5 units. If we talk about unit 1, chemical substances, nature and behavior, we are having 5 chapters. Out of them, 3 are there without any change, whereas in 2 chapters there are changes made by CBSE. First is metals and non-metals. Here we are only left with properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. And you can have a look on the topics removed, like basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention. Now, moving to chapter 4, that is carbon compounds. In this, we are only left with covalent bondings in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon, homologous series. All other topics which were in this chapter are removed. Now, heading on to Unit 2, World of Living. We used to have 4 chapters: life processes, control and coordination in plants and animals, reproduction, heredity, and evolution. Out of these all, control and coordination in animal and plants, this chapter is totally removed. But if we talk about chapter 4, that is heredity and evolution, from this evolution part is removed, which means basic concepts of evolution is deleted. Now we are only left with heredity. Now moving on to unit 3, natural phenomena. In this, we are having 2 chapters. One is light and another is human eye. There are no changes in light, but there are changes in human eye. In this, functioning of lens in human eye, defects of vision and their correction, application of spherical mirror and lenses. These topics are removed. Now we are only left with reflection of light through a prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, applications in daily life. Now moving on to unit 4, there are no changes in effects of current, but there are changes in magnetic effects of current. In this, CBSE has deleted electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantages of AC over DC, domestic electric circuits. These topics are removed. Now if we talk about unit 5, natural resources, earlier there were 3 chapters: our environment, sources of energy, management of natural resources. But from these 3, we are only left with our environment. Sources of energy is totally removed from the syllabus, but management of natural resources is left only for internal assessment. This portion of unit will not be assessed in year-end examination, that is final examination. So that's all about syllabus. Now you're coming to the practical portion. We are left with many practicals. If we talk about the deleted ones, either you can take the screenshot or note it down somewhere else, or the other thing which you can do, you can yourself view it. I'll be giving the link in the description box. Now that's all for today. Do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel, that is Grasping Grade. Thanks for watching.